Well, the second of two storms that we have been watching all weekend long has finally made landfall. We've seen significant amount of rainfall stretching all the way from areas like Bethel all the way over into Prince William Sound. And if you're in Southeast, your rain is on the way by tonight. We'll see that stretching in to start off your work week. But we have a few weather alerts underway due to this storm. Now, one of which is our wind advisory into areas like the interior for Delta Junction down into Donnelly. This wind advisory will stay in effect from this morning all the way into Monday at midnight. This is where winds will pick up 25 to 35 miles per hour with wind gusts as high as 55 to even 65 miles per hour. So you can see, although the storm is right now over south central, the impacts are reaching all the way up into the interior. The second impact that we're watching are strong winds building across Anchorage. You've probably felt that already today. This wind advisory will be in effect now all the way through Monday until about 1 a.m. This is mostly going to impact areas like Anchorage Hillside, even into Eagle River. This is where southeast winds are building up to 30 and even 40 miles per hour. And at the strongest, these gusts are reaching as high as 55 and 65 miles per hour. Now, the third impact that we are watching from this storm is our flood watch. This is going to be in effect from areas to Talkeetna, including the Yentna River. Now, this will be in effect at 7 p.m. tonight, lasting all the way through Wednesday afternoon. This is going to cause flooding. Our storm is going to cause flooding due to excessive rainfall as well as runoff. And we are expecting a 3-day rain accumulation of about 2 to 4 inches of rainfall. So a few weeks ago, we dealt with the same kind of thing. The Yentna River started to fill due to our excessive rainfall and runoff. And that's exactly what we're watching for again this week, all the way until Wednesday. Now, as we track our storm through the overnight hours and even into Monday morning, this is where you're going to see most of the impacts roll in during the overnight hours. So hopefully you're asleep when it's all passing through, including our winds as well as our strong rainfall. We're going to see more stretching across southwest Alaska, including areas like the Kenai Peninsula, Prince William Sound, and then early on by tomorrow morning, that's whenever we're going to see rain stretching into areas like southeast. Heaviest amounts of rain for areas like southeast are going to arrive by tomorrow morning, and especially for areas like the central portion of the region, even into the northern portion of the region. By tomorrow, we're also going to see some showers stretching into the western portions of the interior. Areas like Fairbanks, we're going to see some scattered showers lingering into the early afternoon hours, and then we'll see some on and off rain showers across areas like the Kenai Peninsula as well. For South Central, the heaviest rain is expected for areas like the Matsu Valley, hence our flood watch that we are tracking. Now for southeast, as we look ahead, you can see heaviest amounts likely for the central portion of the region, even into areas like Yakutat. We'll see some lighter showers extending from Petersburg down into Ketchikan, with temperatures much cooler than what you felt today, dropping down into the low 60s. For the interior, this is where we're going to see more clouds beginning to build, that chance of rain stretching across the interior. Strong winds most likely for areas like Delta Junction, temperatures down into the mid to upper 60s. For the North Slope, this is where this heat advisory is underway only for this evening, so highest temperatures have already peaked for today into tomorrow for western Alaska. You're going to hold on to more rainfall chances, especially in the southwest portion of the region. Across the Aleutian chain, light showers, mostly cloudy skies, temperatures in the mid to upper 50s. But for south central, this is where we're going to see light showers passing through the morning hours into Kenai, even into Homer. Beautiful sunshine in areas like Kodiak. The storm is gone for you. Heavy rain continues for Prince William Sound, with temperatures in the mid to upper 50s. For the Matsu Valley, this is where we're going to see more heavy rainfall progressing throughout our Monday. And for Anchorage, we're continuing to watch strong winds with temperatures dipping down into the low 60s. So it's important to keep that rain jacket on you as well as your extra tufts.